Here's a little video on coterminal angles. So I'm going to try to talk mostly in radians. So here's a circle, and we use this angle here as 0. And every time we go around the circle, that's a full 2 pi. So let's take this angle right here, for example. I'll call this pi over 4. It's about 45 degrees. It's a quarter of the way up, or half the way up, a quarter of the way over to 180. Um, call it this angle here is pi over 4. But if we get there by going around the circle a full time and then to that angle, now we've gone 2 pi over 4, or 2 pi rather, plus pi over 4. Of course, 2 pi over 4 might also be known as, I'm writing 8 instead of 4. Sorry about that. As 8 pi over 4. So this new angle, this going around the circle once and then going to pi over 4 might be known as 9 pi over 4. 9 pi over 4 is coterminal to pi over 4. They are actually referencing the same location. They get there a different way, but they're referencing the same location. Let me erase a little bit of this. So if we look at the same angle again, we could also get there by rotating backwards, rotating a negative angle. So this negative angle would be 7 quarters around. So if we imagine that we're moving here, we get to 180, negative 180 would be pi. And then we have to go another 3/4 pi. So this also might be known, going in that direction, as negative 7 pi over 4. Those are all the same angle. They're all coterminal angles. And we can go around the circle as many times as we want in either direction and land in this spot and call it something else. If we went around the circle 3 times backwards, that would be negative 6 pi. That would be backwards. And then we would also have to continue going around negative 7 pi over 4 to get to this particular location. Let's see, 6 pi, if we're doing this in over 4s, if we're doing a common denominator. This second one doesn't change, but the first one, let's see, we have a common denominator of 4. 6 times 4 is 24. So this would be negative 24 pi, negative 24 pi. Still minus the 7/4 in order to get there out. I wrote this backwards, but that's okay. Negative, that's negative 31 over 4. That's also coterminal to all these other angles. So there's lots of ways of getting there.